Today we're going to take a quick look at these custom mats designed by Lloyd Mats specifically for your 1984 through 2020 Saleen Mustang. Since the first three were produced in 1984, Saleen Mustangs have been very popular with collectors and enthusiasts for their style and performance. Now, a lot of the earlier Saleens, the floor mats were very expensive, so Lloyd teamed up with Saleen for these licensed floor mats, allow you to save your expensive, hard to replace factory mats and add that Saleen styling to your Saleen Mustang. Lloyd is offering two different style mats for your Saleen Mustang. They're offering floor mats and also trunk mats. Now, the floor mats are going to be sold as a set of 4 and they feature a very plush 40 ounce per yard material. They're going to use factory anchors where applicable, and if not, they include an anchor kit designed to mount your mat. The backs are also spiked to make sure the mats are not going to move around, and they're going to be available in your choice of different Saleen logos based on the year of your Mustang. Now, the trunk mats are something that was not a factory piece, but are a great way to finish off your Saleen Mustang. Again, available for the Fox body through current Mustang, they feature 22 ounce per yard and a slip-resistant traction back so they will not move around. All these mats are made right here in the USA and available for all your Saleen Mustangs. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you click on the CJ button so you subscribe for future videos and click the corner up here for more videos for your Mustang.